How to start a group order in Uber Eats. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on from where you want to order. And after you've clicked on the shop, you'll find group order at the top. Click on group order at the top. After you've clicked on group order at the top, you'll find people can order at any time, no deadline. You pay for everyone and it does not repeat. You can click on invite people and you will be given a QR code or a link. You can simply send it to people and start a group order. And this is how to start a group order in Uber Eats. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.